morning, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Today we are heading to Pasighat. It's in Arunachal Pradesh, and you will see a completely different artist with me. I'm traveling next 3 days with Band of Boys. Yes, you're hearing right, Band of Boys. So Danshu Pandey, Karan Oberoi, Chintu Bhosle, Sherin Varghese, and Danny Fernandez. These 5 energetic boys. They were the first boy band. So I'll be covering a story around the first boy band which was formed in India, and this was in 90s era. There are 90s eras, I think. I've seen them growing and I love their songs, and man, luckily with the help of God I got the chance to manage them. Yes, the editing factory, we as a team, we manage them, and we make. And today we are going for a festival called Siang Festival. It's Arunachal Pradesh. I'm going to see Pasighat for the very first time, and we have an early morning flight. We are heading to Mumbai to Kolkata, to Dibrugarh to we are having a road trip. I'll try to cover as much as we can and try to give you the best of the content from here. Thank you and see you soon. So we are at the airport and the flight is delayed for 4 hours, and we are deciding what needs to be done. The boys are already 4 hours delay, guys.
Yeah, touched out.
So the flight is delayed for 4 hours. We are heading towards Taj. Kevin, what are we doing there? What are we going to do there?
We're going to sit and make some reels because Karan Oberoi suddenly has got a new content.
So we're just figuring out entry for Taj.
Yeah, baby.
Because we're taking a back entry.
I'm sorry, the band doesn't rap in the back entry. so something. Sincere boy. Only sincere boy in the group.
कहीं नहीं रिहर्स किया तो कहीं नहीं रिहर्स का तो यहाँ तो करते.
The only sincere boy, the apple polisher in the group. Sincere boy. Look at this sincere boy. He's gone to sleep.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Then क्या बोल रहा था?
मैं कह रहा था कि मतलब पांडे जी इतना सिंसियर है रिहर्स कर रहे हैं, तो रिहर्सल में तो कभी इतना रिहर्सल कभी किए नहीं.
After 4 hours, करण को अभी भी चेकिंग नहीं मिल रहा है.
Still trying to, decode. खत्म करके आ.
Karan. So all set at last. Now we are taking off from Mumbai to Calcutta, and you know who's next to me right now? Mr. Karan Oberoi.
Rock and roll.
Karan, all set for Siang?
Absolutely going to set the stage on fire, my friend.
Okay.
They will get what ABB is all about. Might.
It's the first boy band, huh?
Absolutely.
The first boy band.
And always and forever, my friend. And we set the stage on fire like nobody else does.
Excited, and we are all flying together. Boys are tired because we were awake from 6 o'clock in the morning. Karan was getting wake up all the time. So let's watch it. So we're just about to land in Kolkata. There was a flight for Calcutta to Dibrugarh at 2:30, which we have already missed it. So tomorrow 7:15 flight. Hopefully we'll take it to Dibrugarh. The show is tomorrow evening. So yeah, that's the thing. We'll see what we do in the evening. Maybe we'll go out. Maybe like that. Let's see. Something.
You guys want to stay in Calcutta? That Karan will do Digi Yatra again.
Karan?
Crash the system.
Well, I'm the man with the power, I'm telling you. Me and my tech skills.
Even with the legit boarding pass, he can't enter.
No.
हम बोल रहे हैं boarding pass पे वो Digi Yatra.
But Sharon, it took almost 20 minutes for you to come out of
Because
there.
Chintu Bhosle decided to take my phone also, his phone also, put it in his back pocket. I'm looking.
I kept it safe because I knew you'd forget.
And all those staff people were telling her, one of your boys has it. One of your boys has it. नहीं यार. One of my boys has it.
But Sharon,
They're so nice.
Sharon,
They're such nice people.
Sharon, during 2.5 hours flight, you press call button more than 20 times. Why?
Once.
India wants to know.
Once.
Nation wants to know.
Once.
Nation.
I got up on my own because I'm very uncomfortable. Because the cold hit me because I'm bald.
What happened? What happened? Chintu.
If he had a camera on his face at that point, for once it wasn't his fault, but if there was a camera,
And those girls ना, the stewardess, वो उनको समझ में आ गया था हमारी क्वेश्चन क्या है, क्यों पता है? हम लोग बैठे हुए, तो उसने मुझसे वो मेरे लिए खाना लेके आई, फिर खाना पूछने आई, फिर इसकी तरफ देखा तो ये सोया हुआ था, तो मुझे उसने देखा, तो सुना, उसने मेरी तरफ देखा कि मतलब मैं कुछ करूं, इसको जगाऊं, मैंने पता क्या किया? ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे किया She was not even ready for it.
I think you're going to miss the Dibrugarh flight.
Oh, actually, because
We already missed the Dibrugarh flight. Why?
Achha, no, she's there. Oh, she's here. I hope that's the
So
one.
we missed our flight, but Indigo is trying to arrange another flight for us. So अभी देखते हैं कितने बजे पहुंचते हैं हम, लेकिन हमारी टीम इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है जाने के लिए फ्लाइट में. So let's wait and watch. Because there's another hotel booked for us in Kolkata. पता नहीं अब.
I think the organizer of this show उसका हम लोग
मातम कर जाने तक वो मातम
मातम भी नहीं यार, वो बोलेगा इसकी माँ का किसके साथ पल्ला पड़ा.
No, it's not our fault actually.
Yeah,
It's all Indigo's fault. The flight got delayed.
We can only do how much we are in control of.
Yeah, it's all Indigo's fault.
We
Yeah.
are reaching everywhere.
We are at the airport from morning 6 o'clock. It's almost like 6 in the afternoon, and we're just trying to reach Dibrugarh. So that's how it goes behind to make one successful event, guys. It's not so simple. Sharon, be serious at some time, please.
If I get serious to buddy, I get into fights.
So we're now off to hotel. We're staying at JW Marriott today. Karan is traveling with me. The 3 cars.
Maybe it's a sign for us to be back in Calcutta.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah.
You know, maybe this is what universe conspires.
Yeah.
Next time we straight away come to Kolkata.
That's so right. Yeah. So let's see how our evening goes tonight. If the boys are tired or we'll be having some fun.
Boys are always going to have fun.
Yeah.
Man, no fatigue, nothing. In our heads, we're still 19-year-olds.
Let's wait and watch, guys. After 12 hours, actually we are checking in the hotel.
Yeah.
6 o'clock in the morning, right? 6 o'clock.
Now you realize the wisdom of
Oh no, big lie.
I slept
A big,
early and I
big lie.
packed
That's
up
your
at
problem.
4.
That's your problem.
It is a you problem, which is mine.
So just checking in right now at JW Marriott.
Yes, and we
Calcutta.
to explore the city.
Are we going to explore the city,
Yes,
guys?
we are. Kolkata should know we are here.
After the traffic that we face coming here, I don't think I want to step out.
I don't be certain.
Look who's saying who's going to go. Him. Who's always staring.
Half an hour.
Staring at ceiling. Oh, what a room, what a city. Wow. Very good.
So let's see what happens. So I've just checked in JW Marriott Calcutta for a night. I'll be showing you my room. This is where I'm going to stay tonight. That's ITC Royal. One of my favorite hotels in Calcutta. What a view. This is where I'm going to stay. Lovely, small, beautiful room. मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है.
So this is Amish Thali.
Kind of food.
The food is excellent. Excellent. We were just discussing that you don't taste such good quality of food. So fantastic.
Very, very good. I mean, I go to JW Marriott
Yes.
also.
Then 5-star mein.
But I've never tasted this kind of food at any Marriott. So
Thank you very much.
all credit.
Danny, what do you want?
Yes.
Concept 3 lost.
Even you should try the rasgullas also. That's it. Good.
गुड मॉर्निंग. बज चुके हैं सुबह के 5. हम निकल पड़े हैं अब एयरपोर्ट की तरफ. बॉयज़ आर कमिंग डाउन We're heading to Dibrugarh now. It's a 7:30 flight. Let's hope it's on time because once we land at Dibrugarh, it's almost 3 hours drive from there to the airport, to the venue. So let's see how today's days goes and let's make it happen, guys. So we have Dennis Fernandez or Denny Fernandez.
Everybody knows me as Danny.
Yeah.
My official name is Dennis. That's only my school friends, they know.
Okay. So Denny, how long are you associated with Band of Boys?
I've been associated like I've been associated with the boys since the year 2000.
2000.
Yeah, I was their choreographer, their trainer, dance trainer.
Okay.
तो जितने भी मेरी नींद is choreographed by me.
Okay.
So 1 year we trained.
Okay.
I reckoned out them, and we had fun. We almost became, we are like family only. So all the whole energy, the vibe, it gelled so perfectly. Then we since 2000, so it's been 25 years.
25 years, Denny. So what changes do you see in the boys in this 25 years?
A lot of changes from.
I would say
boys.
the age is the age factor. That's the most.
Yeah, like actually they've turned. I've seen them turn from boys to men. Not that I was a man over them. I'm the youngest, so very matured, and obviously a little age factor because to dance on stage it is slightly difficult right now because that time the whole energy was there, but right now we are still trying. They are also still trying to do the best, and I think it's been a great journey till now.
So we have landed at Dibrugarh airport and the boys are already waiting there at the gates. Welcome to Dibrugarh.
Hello.
Dibru, as the pilot
The
said.
press.
We are in Dibru.
Dibrugarh. Press is waiting outside for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मैंने बोला था मीडिया को मत बुलाया करो. I don't like media.
I बोल दिया इसने, just quote. Keep this.
This we'll edit this. So this is where we are staying today. Look at the view next to Siang River. It's called Yugyung, a riverfront resort. Cooling and lodging. Who are you? Vinita, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
Ajay.
We would like to raise a toast to everybody who's been here to welcome us. Thank you. God bless you. We look forward to a fantastic evening tonight. Let's go!
Grand welcome at Pasighat. We're staying at Yugyung Resort.
Welcome to Arunachal Pradesh.
Thank you.
Awesome being here.
I know.
How are you all feeling?
It is so beautiful. The drive in here, the river, the mountain. Oh my God!
And the people.
My first thing was you told me to go to Switzerland. You come to Pasighat. It's fantastic, and of course now the warmth of the people is what we are meeting, and we hope to totally party with you.
I think Karan and I was
We were talking about
having this discussion throughout.
Yes.
How beautiful this place is, how beautiful the mountains, how beautiful our country is.
Ma'am, all set? Danny, all set?
Yeah, baby.
Gorisha, all set?
Yes, of course.
So Gorisha will be on cameras today with us.
Yes.
Yeah, she's responsible. Every footage will be going out.
I'll be getting water and everything, whatever.
Oh no, that's not needed.
Yeah.
That's not needed.
He's giving you
She's
a
just
better.
Job.
Yeah.
She's having a sympathy, you know? That people will have sympathy for her. So Danny, you all set?
Yes.
And you're sleeveless, Danny. The
Yes,
temperature
I'm
outside is 14
sleeveless.
degrees.
I love the cold.
You love it?
Yes.
So let's wait and watch, guys. We will see the power performance by Band of Boys.
धुएं निकलने वाले हैं, धुआं
धुआं सर से निकलेगा धुआं.
सर से, हाथ से, पैर नहीं, पैर covered है.
There we are all set. It's 9 o'clock right now. As you can see, it's 9 and we are off for the venue. अब मजा आएगा.
Really looking forward to this performance today, and Arunachal has always given us a lot of love, and we are looking at an overwhelming love and experience today with the audiences.
And thank you for the organizers. This is a special thank you for them. Very well looked after, great hospitality. Everything is organized so perfectly well, and we are so happy to be here and to rock the audiences now.
That's a wrap of Siang Festival, Arunachal Pradesh. Hope you like the entire vlog, what we have done right now over here. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap.
तेरा स्पर्श भुला देता है दुनिया के डर, जहाँ सिर्फ प्यार और सुकून मिले तो ऐसा है घर. मरना जीना साथ है, खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती
Photo bombing, video bombing.
नहीं तोड़ेंगे. पल पल दिल के मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. जिंदो छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा. छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. किनारा ये चंचल हवा, दो दिलों ने मिलकर हम न होंगे जुदा, ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, सितारों की महफिल में के इशारा, सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा, कहाँ अब तो सारा जहाँ है तुम्हारा, ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी से मजा, ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा. Very nice, Chintu. Very nice. Very nice. Woo! Take one.
नाउ बज चुके हैं 11, लेकिन आज भी ट्विस्ट है. आज हमारी फ्लाइट थी डिब्रूगढ़ टू गुवाहाटी, गुवाहाटी से मुंबई. बट अभी जस्ट हमें कॉल आया इंडिगो से कि हमारी गुवाहाटी की फ़्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी बिकॉज डिब्रूगढ़ की फ़्लाइट ऑलरेडी है डिलेड. पहली बात, गाड़ी भी एक डिले आई है और मैं और सिगमेंट जा रहे हैं साथ में. से सिगमेंट, हाई कैमरा. So me and Sigmund, the boys went ahead. I'll be seeing them at the airport directly. But अब हम जा रहे हैं डिब्रूगढ़ टू अहमदाबाद और अहमदाबाद से हमारी कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट है मुंबई के लिए. तो एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है वेदर की वजह से या पता नहीं इंडिगो के प्लानिंग की वजह से. बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू मिस द फ्लाइट्स ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सेकेंड डे. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. लेट्स सी इफ वी गेट द फ्लाइट एंड विल रीच होम टुडे. जैसे डे आफ्टर येस्टरडे हम कैलकाटा में रुक गए थे एक दिन. अब आज देखते हैं कैसे होता है या अहमदाबाद स्टे बैक करना पड़े. See you then.
Guys, signing off from Ahmedabad.
Flight gets delayed, we will walk, take a bus, hire a car, but we will get to Bombay.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Last comment.
Life on the road.
I can't wait to freshen up.
Karan.
We've been the whole day on flights.
I can't wait to get back to Mumbai.
Sudhanshu.
Last but not the least,
Any more Indigo?
we are still not home.
Any more Indigo?
Huh?
Any more Indigo flights?
Don't even say the name. Let's end it happily.
Thank you. Signing off from Ahmedabad. See you soon. Next trip.
She's picking me up. She's like,